Hello friends, today let's make a sponge bear. For this we need a sponge, some rubber, googly eyes, ribbon and glue. So let's start. We need 3 rubbers. 1, 2, 3. First of all, we will just make it like this. You can see there are 2 parts of this sponge now. One is the upper and one is the down part. Let's make the ears now. Here it is. You can see the both sides. Now let's just put 2 googly eyes on this. 1 drop and 1 drop of glue I have applied, and now the googly eyes. Let's press it and leave. Using a marker, we can draw the mouth. Now next we'll cut a piece of ribbon. And we will tie it around the neck. And let's create a bow. We can adjust this and then we can tighten it. Now let's just give it proper shape. We cut it this way so that the threads of ribbon should not come out afterwards. This sweet bear is almost ready now. Let's put a bow on the ear. So here it is. The sweet bear, sponge bear is ready. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay looped in for more such videos. Thank you.